fruits in the blender, we must wash it. Nice! Look at Pee-Pee. It's sweet watermelon. Sour. But you see the magical the seed fly out from the watermelon juice? Make a way, we say! These are the fruits that we have. This is watermelon. This is pear. This is banana. This is blueberry. This is grapes. This is oranges. This is apple, mango. And we're going to make fruit juice. Ta-da! This is the blender. So we put the fruits in the blender. We must wash it. So we have washed all these fruits. Let's make apple juice now. So the mango papa. Now we're going to make apple juice. Go! Open. Let's add orange inside too. Go, Papa! Squishy! Wow! Ooh. It's getting yellow like mango. Wow! Wow! Apple orange. Let's try it. Come on. It tastes a little bit sour and sweet. Let's make watermelon juice now. Go, Papa. Wow, watermelon juice! Papa, do you see the magical the seed fly out from the watermelon juice? You see the blue color in the seed? It flies from the watermelon juice. I saw the watermelon jar inside. Let's try the watermelon juice. So yummy. It's sweet watermelon. Let's taste which one is better. Orange is better. Let's make mango juice now. Wow. Ooh. That's red. A mix. Red plus yellow equals yellow. Sour. So it's a sour mango. Let's make these 3 fruits. Grapes, pear, blueberry. This is the power berry juice. Grape juice! Getting purplish. Wow, it's great! Now look at the grape juice. It's brown. Mommy, just look at the grape juice. Papa, the grape juice is turning brown.
Grapes contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase, which can start an oxidative chain reaction in grape juice that turns normally colorless compounds in the grapes into brown pigments.
I'm going to try it now. Sour. Sour, mommy, try. We have one more fruit to blend. Banana! The banana just now turned around. Sour. Do you want to have a taste? Okay, which fruit juice do you like? Watermelon. Oh. Thank you for watching our video and remember to subscribe to our channel and like our video. Bye-bye. This mango juice is unhealthy, but this mango juice is good and it's healthy.